things are covered from the mouth to the anus we are discussed. Okay, from the mouth to the anus, what are the parts are there, what are the things are happening inside the digestive system, how the food is digested in the small intestine and large intestine, stomach, mouth, okay, alimentary canal, liver and pancreas, those all the things what happens actually. So those all the things are we discussed. And not only that, we discussed about the malnutrition, ill effects of the alimentary canal. So those all the things are we discussed. That is nothing but a heterotrophic nutrition. That is nothing but a heterotrophic nutrition. That is heterotrophic nutrition. That is another name is heterotropism. That is nothing but a heterotropism. So this is discussed already. Even Kaskuta, that is parasitic plant, that also discussed. Listen, okay? So now today's topic is autotropism. Very fast we will go. Okay? That is autotropism. We discuss autotropism. In autotropism, first will be the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? What is the meaning of photosynthesis? It is divided into two: photo plus synthesis. Photo plus synthesis. Photo plus synthesis. What is the meaning of photo? Photo is nothing but a light. Photo is nothing but a light. Synthesis is nothing but a preparation. What they prepare? Preparation of food. Preparation of food. Okay? So photosynthesis. Today's topic is photosynthesis, and there is related experiments will be there. Those we'll discuss. Okay? Photo means light. Synthesis means preparation of the food. So where it will be happens? Only in plants. It will be there in plants. Already I told on the earth plants and animals are there. Yes or no? Those plants, they will do photosynthesis. Which plants? Green color plants. Plants which are in a green color. Green color. The plants which are in green color, they will do photosynthesis. These things you have to remember. Okay? In your textbook, there is some of the topics are given related to the photosynthesis. So how the photosynthesis will be happens? Those things will be discussed. Okay? In photosynthesis, what are the things are needed? What are the things are needed? First one is light is necessary. Light, light. Okay? So light will get from the sunlight. Sunlight will get light. Okay? So that is a primary source. Second one is we need carbon dioxide for the food. We need carbon dioxide. And third one is we need water. Water chemical formula is H2O. You already know. Okay. So light, carbon dioxide, water. So these are the things are very necessary. And in that what will be there? Minerals will be there. In the water what will be there? Minerals will be there. Okay? And not only that, fourth one is chloroplast. We need chloroplast. Chloroplast is nothing but it is chlorophyll. It is nothing but a chlorophyll. Chlorophyll where it will be there? In leaves. Leaves are which color? Green color. Leaves are which color? Green color. I already told. Plants are which color? Green color. Green color due to the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll will be present in the chloroplast. This is about the photosynthesis. Listen carefully. Photosynthesis will be taken place in plants. Plants are which are in green color. Why they are in green color? They contains chlorophyll. Chlorophyll rate will be there in chloroplast. 9th class we learn about chloroplast. It will be there in cytoplasm. Clear, children? Now, so related to the light, one experiment will be there. Related to the carbon dioxide, one experiment is there. And water related to the mineral water, it will take the water. Okay? So like that chloroplast. Okay? Like that, everything, some experiments are there. We have to prove. In the process of photosynthesis, we need carbon dioxide, we have to prove. We need light, we have to prove. Okay, we need carbon and we need water, and it will release oxygen. The process of photosynthesis, it will release oxygen, we have to prove. So like some of the experiments are there, those things we'll discuss. Before that, we'll write the formula of the photosynthesis. First, it will need what? Carbon dioxide, it need water, and it gives rise to C6H12O6 plus H2O plus oxygen. It is gas. Listen carefully. It is a formula of the photosynthesis. It is a formula of the photosynthesis. Listen carefully. Carbon dioxide will need. Where will be the carbon dioxide? Will be there in atmosphere. It will water. The plants will take from the roots. It will take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and the water will take from the roots, and finally what will get? That is called a starch. It is called a starch. It is called a starch. Daily morning we are taking food, yes sir, that is nothing but a starch. All vegetables contain starch. All fruits contain starch, and nothing but a carbohydrates. All grains like cereals and pulses contain starch. All plants which are there on the earth, they will prepare food with the help of this photosynthesis only. Okay, starch is prepared with the help of the carbon dioxide. Already atmosphere carbon dioxide is how much percentage? How much percentage? 0.03. Okay, so here 21% oxygen. So like that, this carbon dioxide and water already present in the soil, that will be taken by the plants with the help of the roots. Final starch is prepared, and via water and oxygen will be released. We are taking oxygen. Here we are taking oxygen. That oxygen due to that is because of photosynthesis. That's why if we go more number of plants in your home, we will get more oxygen, and your atmosphere will be purified. That is the thing. Okay, that's why Haritha Haram programs will be developed by the governments and all governments. Okay, now we will discuss about the what are the necessary things needed. What are the necessary needed things for the photosynthesis? Note down this. Immediately note down fastly. Okay. Now we will discuss one by one. We will discuss one by one. Okay. So the carbon dioxide is okay. Now the carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere. Okay. Carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere. So if the carbon dioxide is not there, what happens? We'll see now. What happens? We'll see now. Okay. If the light is not there, what happens in the plants? Two things are there. The plants will release oxygen. That we have to prove. The plants will release oxygen. That we have to prove. It will release oxygen. Yes or no? So we have to prove oxygen is released. They will release or not. And after that, starch is produced. After photosynthesis, what happens? It will produce starch. That you have to prove. Starch is produced by the plants. You have to prove. So science is nothing but a proof. You have to prove. Then only that is correct. Otherwise, not correct. That's why photosynthesis requires what? Carbon dioxide it needs, light it needs, it produces oxygen, it produces starch. Like that, 4 experiments are there. 4 experiments. 5th experiment is nothing but a bell jar experiment. Total 5 experiments will be there in this topic. These 5 experiments are very important in the final exam also. They will ask 4 marks questions. Okay, carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. Oxygen is released during the photosynthesis. Light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Starch is produced during the photosynthesis, and the bell jar experiments. Okay, children. So listen, these are very, very important experiments. So photosynthesis is nothing but a carbon dioxide will be there. Plants will take the carbon dioxide, they release oxygen. And the plants take the carbon dioxide and water, they produce the starch. Okay, so like that everything we will discuss in this. Okay, now we will discuss about the now we will discuss about the starch is produced. Starch is produced. Starch is produced. First experiment, starch is produced. Yes sir. Second experiment is carbon dioxide is necessary. Carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Starch is produced in photosynthesis. In photosynthesis. Okay, children. Now, oxygen is released. Oxygen is released during photosynthesis. During photosynthesis. Okay, and next one is oxygen is released during the photosynthesis. Next one is Bell-Jar experiment. Bell-Jar experiment, and after that there is another one experiment is there. Light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Light is necessary for photosynthesis. Light is necessary. These are the 4 experiments are very important. Just if you write the formula of CO2 plus H2O gives rise to C6H12O6 plus H2O plus CO2, not both oxygen. Okay? CO2 no oxygen. Okay? So carbon dioxide is necessary for the carbon dioxide is necessary. If the carbon dioxide is not there, it will not produce. Which will not produce? Starch will not be produced. Okay? If light will necessary for this photosynthesis. Light. So if the light is not there, the starch will not be produced. If the light is not there, what happens? Starch will not be produced. Okay? If the light stopped, starch will not be produced. Carbon dioxide not, starch will not be produced. Okay? And even the oxygen is released during the photosynthesis. Oxygen is released during the photosynthesis. Okay? Carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. Light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Oxygen is released during the photosynthesis. Starch is produced during the photosynthesis. And Bell-Jar experiment. These are the experiments present in this topic. That is autotropic nutrition. That is autotropic nutrition. Okay? Clear, children? Now one by one we will see. First one is starch is produced during the food. For this experiment, what should I have to do? What should I have to do? Okay? Just note down. Now we'll see starch is necessary for the photosynthesis. Starch is necessary for the food. Starch. So for that, what should I take one leaf? You take one leaf. Where will you get leaf? Already so many plants are there around you. Okay, son. Take one leaf. You take one leaf, and you have to take one test tube. You have to take one test tube. You have to take one test tube. Okay, you have to take this tube. Keep in and take one methylated spirit or alcohol. You have to take one leaf and green leaf. Okay, you take one test tube. You have to spirit. You need spirit or methylated. The methyl alcohol, methylated spirit. Okay, you need methylated spirit. Listen. Okay, you keep this leaf inside this test tube. You keep the leaf inside the test tube. You keep the leaf inside the test tube. Now test tube contain what? Alcohol is there, leaf is there. Now take one vessel which containing warm water. Warm water. This is warm water. Okay, warm water, not hot water. Warm water. Okay. Keep this test tube inside the water. Keep the test tube inside the water. You already inside the water, inside the test tube. What will be there? Methylated spirit and spirit is there. Inside leaf will be there. Now wait for some time. What happens? Leaf turn into colorless. Now leaf turn into colorless. Before which color is there? Green color is there. Before which color is there? This is green color. Now it will turn into which color? Colorless. Turn into colorless. Now take out this leaf. Take out this leaf. Keep in a petri dish. You know petri dish already know, okay? Keep in a petri dish. It's leaf already. Keep in a petri dish. It is petri dish. It is petri dish. Okay? Keep in a petri dish. Now take iodine solution. Take iodine solution and put one drop on that on the leaf. This is iodine solution. That is iodine solution. Okay? Take some amount of the iodine solution, put the drop by drop on the leaf. Wait for some time. It turn into blue or black color. Blue or black color. So when the any substance which will turn into blue or black color with the help of this iodine solution, that is called nothing but a already learned 8th and 9th. That is nothing but, tell me what is that one? That is nothing but a starch. That is nothing but a starch. So based on this experiment we can conclude that so all the leaves contain starch. Green leaves contain starch. Green leaves contain starch. Okay? So this experiment, starch is present. Starch is produced in photosynthesis. Yes or no? The green leaves will produce the starch. I already proved with the help of iodine solution. This is very important experiment. It is linked to the two experiments. Light is necessary for the photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. Okay, like that these two experiments are there. Those two experiments, then this experiment. Okay, this linked to the another experiment. It's very basic experiment for the another experiments. Okay? Okay, children? Okay. Now, here, why the green leaf turn into blue or black color? Because it contains starch, large amount of starch. So, if you see homework is nothing but you have to learn from the starting onwards. Human digestive system total you have to learn. Human digestive system. Human digestive system total you have to learn. Okay? And not only that, you learn today's topic. Okay? Nothing but a photosynthesis. You learn photosynthesis experiments. Already I told what is photosynthesis and what are the things are covered in photosynthesis, like that. Those are all the things you have to learn. Okay. Thank you, children. All the best.